Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Michael Sharp. It's now time for Frontline Business. The opposition People's National Party, PNP, is calling for the government to be more open and transparent in its current strategy for the Jamaican currency. In a statement on Tuesday, the opposition said it is concerned that at a time when there has been sudden and rapid depreciation of the Jamaican dollar, the Bank of Jamaica has reportedly been purchasing US dollars in the market, putting further pressure on the currency. According to the opposition, businesses with US dollar loans and accounts have suffered unexpected exchange rate losses in the past few weeks. It contends that this has, in turn, affected their pricing and other business decisions. The opposition further said that it is concerned as to the likely impact on consumers whose incomes are fixed, especially at a time when world market prices for oil have been rising, which it said has affected gas and electricity prices. Opposition spokesman for Finance and Planning, Mark Golding, stated that the instability is occurring at a time when the public has been repeatedly told that all targets under the International Monetary Fund program are being consistently met, including the target for non-borrowed reserves. He added that amidst the current slide, the silence of the government is unacceptable. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ is reporting that there was deflation of 0.4% in April, as declines in the housing, water, and electricity and gas category were partly offset by higher prices for petrol and related products. The central bank notes that a moderate inflation was expected in May. This is due in part to moderate price increases for vegetables and starchy foods, as well as transport costs. Inflation this month is anticipated to mainly reflect increases in the cost of utilities, petrol, and the prices of non-processed foods. As it relates to the outlook for the 2018-19 fiscal year, the BOJ maintains that inflation is expected to remain towards the lower end of the forecast range for the next 3 quarters before converging towards the midpoint of the forecast range. On the foreign exchange market, the US dollar is being sold for an average of $130.22. The Canadian dollar is trading at $99.30. The pound sterling is costing $172.11, while the euro is trading at $153.43. In Tuesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 2,563 points to close at 314,630. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 47 stocks, of which 18 advanced, 18 declined, and 11 traded firm. The junior market index declined by 31 points to close at 3,038. Among the winners were Barita Investments, CAC 2000, Derrimon Trading, Grace Kennedy, and Jamaica Broilers. Stocks declined for Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Carreras Limited, Dolphin Cove, and Elite Diagnostics. Stocks traded firm for Cargo Handlers, Siboney Group, Epley Limited, Guest Corporation, and Jetcom Corporation. NCB Financial Group was the volume leader with over 5 million units, followed by Supreme Ventures with over 2 million units, and Jamaica Broilers with over 1 million units. News in oil. Oil prices were mixed on Tuesday, with U.S. crude edging higher and Brent crude slipping as investors prepared for a key meeting of the OPEC producer group next week. Brent crude dipped 66 cents to trade at $75.80 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures climbed 15 cents to $66.25. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Michael Sharp. Regional stories are next after the break.